Well, welcome back, everybody. We're back. And this time, it's the third and final installment of saying goodbye to Disney. We're headed over to the Contemporary in this video. As you saw in the sneak peek, we went and we ate at Chef Mickey's, which was absolutely amazing. We can't wait to take you along. But first, we have this intro. As you know, hey, anybody out there in production gonna hit play? Or do I have to do all the work? I guess I gotta hit the red button again. Which one is it? Where is it? Nope, still on me. Anybody? You know what? Here we go. Is it this one? Yeah, it's that one. Enjoy.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to go back with Pt.3 Chronicles, starring your host, Beamer, Dawn, with their two boys, Tyler and Bradley. Together, and with their two children, this dynamic duo make up what is known as Pt.3 Chronicles. So as they're out and about, just peeping around, you never know who these two might even run into. It could be Graham, it could be aliens, it could even be this guy. It could even be this lovely couple right here. So strap yourselves in, make yourself comfortable, and get ready to go back with Pt.3 Chronicles.
Let the adventure to the Contemporary Resort begin! Just made it to the Contemporary. This is my first time in here, and holy cow, look at this mural. And even the five-legged goat. Holy cow, look at that. That's nuts. So first off, we're going over to Chef Mickey's. Our dining reservations today. Holy cow. Just look at the size of that thing. That made my vacation a great end. So we just have to wait for them, what, to text us or something?
Yeah, they'll text me.
Look at that, just... So since I haven't been here or filmed this on this channel, once we get seated, I'm gonna walk around, show you what they have. We're gonna kick up the music, just like old times, and then show you what we got. So that way you guys can decide when you come here and have an idea of what they have for dinner. Okay, so we are set up. It's actually a pretty decent view. Got the Magic Kingdom just right over there. Won't see any fireworks because that doesn't start until about 10. So this place is pretty big. So I'm gonna take you guys over and show you the buffet. There's two different sides to it, so we get enter right over here. Kick out the music. All right, so I got a lot going on here. But these are only in case I get a flat tire because you'll need asparagus. Looks good. Time to devour it. Oh my goodness, look who we have. It's Goofy! Just in time, guys.
Oh, thank you. Awesome.
What?
Oh, she really did the next.
Yeah, that was pretty cool. Thank you very much, Goofy. So while we were in the middle of eating, he decided to go and party with Mickey. Oh boy. There's a party going on here. Vlog accepted. Don't look now. But there's our favorite. There he is. He's right there. The number one duck is partying hard. Oh boy, here comes Mickey. And there goes Mickey. Ah, the number one duck right there. Well, that was exciting. Ooh, got to dance and watch the number one duck as well. Hello again, Goofy. That was quite swell out there, wasn't it? Your ear got stuck right there. There you go. Might have affected your... He is a goof after all. Thank you, Goofy. What an awesome night. Thank you. Looky there. It's the big cheese himself. Mickey Mouse. Yeah. Thank you very much. You want to take a picture with me? This around? Oops, it's recording, but at the same time, I can still take pictures off of this. Ah, thank you, Mickey. Big old hug. All right. Thank you so much. She is. She made it over. All right. Hi, Minnie. Fun pics with the mix. Hi, Minnie. Thank you. As I used to say when I was about 2 years old, I want the duck. I'm gonna get the duck. Gonna get the duck. Duck. Gonna duck. Who it is?
It's our favorite duck.
Number one duck right here, right now. Fantastic. Number one fan right here. This with the number one duck. I can't get enough of the duck ever. Yeah, absolutely. That's what I'm talking about. Thank you. I did have a really good birthday. It was fantabulous. I got to spend it over in the Magic Kingdom. I got to see you in a parade. Oh, you did such a great job. Yeah, my mind was blown as well.
All three of us.
Thank you so much, Donald. You're awesome. One last hug from the duck. Number one duck. Keeping it cool.
Always the number.
That duck, he never gets old. You know, for being his age, oh my goodness. I hope I look that good at that age. I don't know what he does. It's that Disney magic. It's got to be that Disney magic. Favorite canine right here, Pluto. Aw, Pluto. Ah, I think everybody wants to get fun pics with Pluto.
Pluto's got big enough arms for both of us. You run away from Black Pete all the time.
Oh yeah, we gotta run away. We gotta stay away from Black Pete.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's the bad guy.
Yeah. Oh, thank you, Pluto. That was awesome. Thank you. Bye-bye. 3, 2, 1, and boom. Just a nice assortment of goodies. Rice Krispie treat. Looks really good. Looks really good. Chocolate chip cookies and Obi-Wan cannoli. He's our only hope. Wow, these look like the cookies my grandmother used to make. These are the cookies my grandmother used to make.
Happy birthday to you.
Wow. Well, you're only 34 once every year. Or once in your life. I'll get that right in the end. It's too good to pass up. Look at the donkeys going crazy! Wow. Oh, wahoo. Yay, Donald! Great job! Yes, sir. Well deserved. Awesome. Yeah. That was epic. Round 2 for these guys. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dad and Bradley. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish, it might come true.
I wish you stopped singing.
So after all that, we paid our bill and we're getting out of here. But before we leave, we're just gonna take a quick look-see around. Every area looks a little different. Ours has puzzles on it. So that's a great piece. Pretty much the whole area, we're right over there. Just kind of come over this, there's more puzzle pieces. Well, this is a really cool area. Make a wish, Mickey. The art on the wall is amazing. It's pretty cool. The restrooms are just downstairs. You can get that from over by the dessert area and from in these areas. Just come right down there. More art on the wall. And holy heck. That looks a lot higher than it looks on TV. Another area of seating and booths all up in here. This is the backside of Chef Mickey. Some silhouettes, Donald, Pluto, and probably the rest of the gang. And that never gets old. Monorail coming right through the middle of the Contemporary. It's so cool. So each side is mirrored. This one is the other side that we didn't go on, but everything is the same. It goes all the way around up here. And everything on the back side looks really cool as well. So it pretty much comes up to right here and that ends it. That ends it for that side going that way and then going on around the back side over there. Look at those cups up there. Those are pretty cool looking too as well. And there's some more right over here. What I think is cool about this resort for the plates is these dividers. Just in case if you don't want all your food to touch or whatever. There are some people out there that don't like their food touching, so that's a nice little tip there. Another thing that they have here is a very good convenience is this wheelchair access that goes right up. I've been noticing that a little bit more around the resorts, which is really cool for people that are disabled and or have trouble getting around. Well, it's time to pick up the pieces and get on out of here. The BBC to take a quick look around. That's pretty cool. I like that. What's great about the Loungefly merchandise is it's not too expensive and it looks amazing, and you can categorize with it as well. That's one cool thing. Just taking a quick look, like I said, at some of this merchandise in here. It's like a cool showcase collections here. And if you want to get yourself the partner statue, well, it's only a mere $160. Definitely cheaper than if you were actually making your own statue to scale. Wow, look at the Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party bash of fireworks just here in the Contemporary. That's pretty cool. Holy cow. That was just rumbling the window. Those are pretty impressive. They're pretty powerful. They're a pretty powerful bunch of... Ooh, getting distracted. Neon Mickey, what do you think? So I'm gonna walk right into Fantasia now. I love the theming in here, guys. Super cool. Makes sense with it being Fantasia and having those on the wall. Well, Donald didn't actually have to go too far. He could have just come right over here and pick any one of these. Quite a bit. Some pretty cool play sets here. especially that monorail, including the Disney Railroad. Shoot, there's even lightsabers everywhere. Huh. Don't let the First Order catch you with one of those. Super cool. Look at this, guys. It's pins from Sleeping Beauty. Happens to be the 60th anniversary. Haha, can't believe that much time has gone by. I mean, not that I've been around that long. I don't look that old, do I? Oh! So here's out on the back side. Oh, it's so cool. Oh, that never gets old. So glad I got to come on this trip. I can't believe tomorrow we leave. I can't tell you guys how much of an adventure this has been. And now I have to go home and stitch and edit it all together so you guys can see it and get to this point. If you made it this far, I want to give you guys a thumbs up for sticking around with my weirdness. Especially that Johnny Depp night. Wasn't that kind of crazy? Johnny Depp? Johnny Depp? You see? I told you it was crazy. So there you go, guys. That was a wonderful time to the Contemporary. We enjoyed it very, very much. Definitely want to go back. That mural, though. Let's take one last look at that mural. That Mary Blair mural that stretches almost the entire height of the Contemporary. Love to go back. One day. One day we'll get back. But anyway, we want to thank you guys for coming along for the last 3 videos. It's been an amazing time. We had an amazing time in Disney. But now it's time to get back to a few things that I got going on around here. Things are picking up and then they're going to be winding down come in May because she's about to graduate. Oh man, and it's just crazy. So, but anyway, thank you for sticking around. We've picked up quite a few people along the way. I want to thank you guys for coming along and all the support that I get from you guys. It's been fun. It's been amazing. Let's keep going, keep moving forward. So with that being said, this one's chronicalized, and I think I'm going to go ahead and send it back to my past self over the Contemporary to say goodbye. I think that would be prudent. What do you guys think? All right. 1, 2, 3, and... All right, everybody. That was fantastic. We had a great time at Chef Mickey's. We liked showing you guys around. This was just a quick one from the Contemporary with the Mary Blair. Oh, and there's a monorail. Look at that. A monorail right through the lobby. I can't get over that. And just that mural. I was told, and I believe, they had to do it off-site, each individual tile, one by one, and then bring it in here. Holy cow. Chef Mickey's, definitely 100% awesome. Thank you for coming along. So, we love you. Stay safe.
Stay strong.
And stay positive. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Happy birthday to you. I didn't stop singing Daddy-O. I kept singing to the end of this video. You didn't get your wish. Ha ha, poo-poo on you. Ha ha, papa. I'm still singing at the end of this video. Your wish didn't come true. Your wish didn't come true, but mine did. Being able to see the Magic Kingdom from the Contemporary. credits have rolled, and here I am again. So with that being said, this one's 1, 2, 3, and... So with that being said, this one's chronicalized. I think I'm going to go ahead and send it back to the past in the contemporary to say goodbye. I think that would be prudent. What do you guys think? Alright, so with that being said, this one's chronicalized. I think I'm going to send it back to myself. So with that being said, this one's chronicalized, you know? So, God, that sounds horrible. Is this even on? Oh, the things that go into ending a video, you know? I can't tell you how much I sit here and I go, ooh, this is what I should be talking about. I need to have a sit-down video. Future ideas. So with that being said, I think this one's chronicalized. So I'm gonna go ahead and send it I'm gonna send this video back over to me. Well, I'm gonna send it back to me in the past to say goodbye from the contemporary one last time. See you guys in the future. Or it could be the past. The future isn't written yet. No one's has. The future's whatever you make it. Even the past, I guess. Because the past became the present and the future. The past became the future and the present. Somehow. Sending you guys back. No. So with that all being said, I'm going to send it back to the past. Because that's what I like to do. No. So, with that being said, this one's chronicalized, and I think I'm going to send it back to me in the past. Say goodbye. Cheers, guys. We love ya. So, we're going to send it back over to us to say goodbye from the contemporary. Goodbye, guys. We love ya. Stay safe. Stay strong. No. So, no. Ready? Oh. So there you go, guys. That was a wonderful time to the contemporary. We enjoyed it very, very much, and definitely want to go back. That mural, though. Let's take one last look at that mural.
How about we don't take a look at it?
One last look, and then we'll get to it. Alright guys, so this is it. Well, the end of the videos for Disney. At least for now. We had an amazing time. I was there for 3 whole weeks. I was gone for 3 whole weeks. We spent about 12 days in the Disney area. Holy cow, it was an amazing time. We did a lot between going from Disney back up here. I didn't end up filming any of that. I just wanted to enjoy my time just going down the road. Kind of wish there was one spot I wish I'd have. Nope. Hey guys. So yeah, this is the end. Credits have rolled. It's been an amazing time. So we'll see you soon. Hey! How do you stop this thing? I never know how to do that. I think it's this one. Nope. It's not that one. It's not that one. Oh well. I'm done.